Zandt County man contacted KETK News after the death of his wife. Now, she died this past weekend after getting the virus in the Dallas area. KETK's Annalise Coble right now shares his warning about the seriousness of this pandemic.
Counties around the country warn about the dangers of ignoring the social distancing and stay-at-home orders. Chuck Ramsey says he too thought the measures were a bit overreaching.
We never in a million years would think, it would happen anywhere around us, and here it is, it happened in our house.
Chuck's wife of 15 years contracted the virus. Crystal had been awaiting a kidney transplant before her diagnosis. Her sister would be her donor.
She was unable to have kids of her own, because of her medical problems, and it always broke her heart. So we have, 3 little fur babies, and we spoil them rotten and treat them like they're our own children. And, she just loved family, more than anything.
She posted this update on March 19th from her hospital bed. Really needing my prayer warriors right now. I was told this morning that the virus has spread to both lungs, and to preserve what function I have left, they want to insert a breathing tube. I am quite upset, scared, and alone. Chuck says soon after, she was put in a medically induced coma.
I was able to FaceTime with her for just a few minutes before they actually put her under, and she was very scared, but she still had high hopes and was in good spirits, but she was very scared, mostly because none of us could be with her.
But she would never wake up, passing away Saturday morning.
We were actually together since our very first date, and I don't know a lot of people that can say that, but we just knew right away that we loved each other, and that was it.
Chuck now wants to make sure that others understand just how life-altering the virus can be.
It didn't seem serious to us, but now that everything has happened, it's obviously very serious, and I hope that people do continue to stay quarantined and do whatever county they're in, follow the directives of the county and stay away from people.
And possibly save a life. Annalise Coble, KETK News.
The family has set up a GoFundMe account to help cover the cost of the funeral when one is allowed. We have a direct link to that on our website, EastTexasMatters.com.